Hello and welcome everybody to today's tutorial starring your host, Franco Guzwald. Today we'll be talking about how to make some different kinds of room tags and to hopefully correct some issues you might run into. So here we just have like a normal floor plan here, and say we want to make a room tag for this living room area. We just go up here to where it says room, and you click on room, and this is under the architecture tab, by the way. We go and place it wherever we want. So we just want it in the living room but not over here. We'll go ahead and just place it here. Actually, we can do it in either order. I just realized that. You can exit out of that, but you see this square footage is for all of this, and we just want to do like this little spot right here. So what we can do there is click on room separator right up here, click it, and then we can drag a line wherever we feel like that room begins or ends. Let's say like right there. Yeah, perfect. And then it'll only show that part of the room that you want to have included in the square footage. And that can help with, like, you know, real estate reasons and stuff like that. And plus it's just easier to keep it organized and, you know, what have you. And we'll put another room here. Yep. And then to rename it, you just click on the name. Let's see, like living room, and you just type in which one. I have to click on it twice actually. Living room. Perfect. And then to edit what the information displays here is you click on edit type, and you can do like show room number, show area, show volume. Let's click on room number, see what happens there. Okay, so it shows the room numbers underneath the square footage here. That's kind of a problem. So what we can do again is, so we'll click on the tag, and we'll click edit family up here, and it'll show what displays your room name, square footage, and then room number. So we'll tab and click which one. Let's say we want square footage at bottom, so we'll click on that one, and then we'll just go down, so that displays there. And this time it'll display over the volume, but we don't have volume selected, so that's totally fine. Load the project. Yep, that's the one. Yes. And then, yeah. Override existing, and bam, there we go. But we don't have room numbers assigned, so nothing actually shows up, I guess is what happened here. Make sure. Oh, okay, we just, for some reason, unselected it. Okay. Click on that again. Bam, we have room numbers in all of it, and it's based on where it was placed, where you place the, because I put the bedroom in first and blah blah blah, as you can see there. Alright, so moving along, so now we got our living room, our kitchen. We could even like put a little tag there if we wanted to block off the hallway, but you already know how to do that. So this problem I run into, we want the square footage of this bathroom here, but what's happening here is we have two different rooms, and so it only assigns the square footage to just this part because there's a wall blocking it. And in my house I wanted to have like a little separation from the toilet so people can be, you know, using the restroom during a business while another person can be washing their hands. But as you can see, the problem, it only has a square footage of this part, and we want to have it over both, over all of it, because it's technically all the bathroom. And what we could do is delete the wall, but I mean, that deletes the point of having it. So what we have to do here is we click on the wall, and it will come over here to this place, to the properties. Scroll down a little bit to where it says room boundary, and we'll uncheck it, and it should be good to go. It'll now recognize this whole area as the bathroom. So yeah, and that's all I have for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please remember to subscribe and like, you know, that'd be real great. Thanks, and have a great day.